Gaming is more exciting than ever in 2025, and handheld consoles are a great way to enjoy games anywhere. The top 5 best handheld gaming consoles in 2025 offer amazing graphics, long battery life, and a huge selection of games. Whether you love action, adventure, or puzzle games, there is something for everyone. These consoles are lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for travel or relaxing at home. If you want fun on the go, these handheld gaming devices are the best choices this year. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. ASUS ROG Ally X 7-inch. If you're serious about gaming on the go, the ASUS ROG Ally X is the perfect handheld console for you. It features a stunning 7-inch 120Hz Full HD display that delivers smooth and vibrant visuals, making every game come to life. With the powerful AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor under the hood, combined with 24GB of RAM and a massive 1TB SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and seamless gameplay. Whether you're playing AAA titles or indie gems, this device is designed to handle it all. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during those long gaming sessions. Get ready to take your gaming experience to the next level with the ROG Ally X. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Go. Looking for a powerhouse handheld that can keep up with your gaming demands? Say hello to the Lenovo Legion Go. With its impressive 8.8-inch 144Hz WQXGA display, you'll enjoy ultra-smooth visuals and stunning details that immerse you in every game. Powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, this handheld console offers exceptional performance for even the most demanding titles. Its unique detachable controllers provide flexibility, allowing you to play in multiple modes. Whether you're gaming at home or on the move, the Legion Go is built to deliver an unbeatable experience. Number 3. Nintendo Switch OLED Model. The Nintendo Switch OLED Model is a must-have for gamers who want a mix of portability and console-level gaming. It boasts a vibrant 7-inch OLED screen that offers rich colors and deep contrast, making your favorite games look better than ever. With 64GB of internal storage and the ability to switch between handheld and docked mode, you can enjoy your games anywhere, anytime. Whether you're into action-packed adventures, fun multiplayer games, or relaxing puzzle titles, the Switch OLED provides an incredible gaming experience for everyone. Plus, with an ever-growing library of games, you'll never run out of options. Number 2. Logitech G Cloud. If you're all about cloud gaming, the Logitech G Cloud is your perfect match. Designed for gamers who want access to their favorite games without the need for heavy hardware, this handheld console features a 7-inch Full HD display that delivers crisp visuals. With 64GB of storage and built-in support for popular cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and Nvidia GeForce Now, you can dive into a vast library of games instantly. The lightweight design and comfortable grip make it perfect for long gaming sessions, whether you're at home or on the move. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless gaming possibilities with the Logitech G Cloud. Number 1. Sony PlayStation Portal Remote Player. Experience PlayStation gaming like never before with the Sony PlayStation Portal Remote Player. This handheld device allows you to play your PS5 games remotely, featuring an 8-inch LCD screen that delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. The adaptive triggers and haptic feedback provide an immersive experience, making you feel every action in the game. Whether you're at home or away, the PlayStation Portal keeps you connected to your favorite titles with seamless remote play. If you're a PlayStation fan, this handheld console is a game-changer that brings the power of your PS5 right to your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.